Okay, here's the issue I've got with a Yaesu FT-450 Delta. Currently trying to do FT8. I've got an antenna that is tuned for 20 meters. When I hit the tune button on WSJTX, you can see I've got a 1-to-1 SWR. I'm putting out 40 watts, which is what I've got my power set to. I can show you that here. RF power set to 40 watts. It's doing 40 watts. But as I turn up my drive for my ALC, because normally I like to hit tune and turn the power slider up until it shows just one little bar of ALC, and then I back it off, and usually my power will be set where I want it. When I do it right now, see, it's got no ALC, but as I roll that drive up, it kills the radio. I'm running LMR 400 Superflex out this coax switch up to a Diamond W-8010. It's a wire trap antenna, and so everything's tuned for 20 meters, but I cannot go above 40 watts. I can't even go above 40 watts on sideband. So I thought I was having like some common mode current problems, and I ordered an inline choke from November 4 India Lima antennas, and I did put that in line, and I'm still having the same issue here, so I'm kind of at a loss. This is the only band that it does it on. If I switch to, we'll just go to, we'll go to 40 meters. So over on 40 meters, I'm going to run my tuner, because my 40 meter portion of this antenna I still don't have it dialed in. But we'll go ahead and see, make sure we got an acceptable SWR. Okay, I got a good SWR, putting out almost 50 watts. ALC is a little high. I'll back it down. And that's right where I run my ALC. So, we'll go over here and just make sure everything's working okay. Try to find a clear frequency. And it looks like it's a little busy right there. We'll just move it over a touch. Okay, and we'll go ahead and call CQ and kind of show that there's no issues. Looks like I'm hearing not a whole lot. Hearing some Wyoming though. But see, everything looks good. No ALC, acceptable SWR, and doing a little over 40 watts there. So, like I said, 20 meters seems to be the only band I'm having this issue. I don't know what the problem is. I can go outside and kind of show my antenna setup too as part of this experiment, I guess. So this is the wire. I made my own air choke there in the coax, but you can see right there is that choke that I got from November 4 India Lima antennas, and they're basically just stacked inverted V's here. It's not super high, 22 feet up here at the peak, but still getting a lot of common mode current, I think. I'm definitely getting RF in the shack, but only on 20 meters.